This is your cruise news today in under 2 minutes. First up, Royal Caribbean has overbooked another ship. This time it's Oasis of the Seas, but passengers are being offered compensation. First offer is passengers in balcony cabins are being offered to move to an interior cabin and get a 100% refund of their cruise fare. And another offer being made is for any passengers to simply cancel their trip and get a 100% refund plus an additional 100% of what they paid in future cruise credit and reimbursement for any expenses they put out for hotels or airline travel that they cannot cancel. Would you take either of these offers? Next up, Royal Caribbean's Navigator of the Seas experienced a gastrointestinal outbreak earlier this month that affected more than 140 passengers and crew. Keep in mind, when you're on a cruise ship, wash and sanitize your hands often. It's the easiest way to stay healthy. A popular item has been hitting the banned items list on many major cruise lines lately, and Carnival has been doubling down on this banned item, the Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, a table of Bluetooth speakers here confiscated from passengers that they had to pick up on their way off the ship. Carnival states that these speakers are disruptive to other passengers and reports that certain passengers even bring them into the main dining room and blast their music during dinner. What do you think about that? Now that you're up to date on the latest cruise news, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get all of our updates.